All right, guys, we got a 2012 LS 460 all-wheel drive Lexus. This is what it sounds like before. You cannot hear this thing. Again, it is very, very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 86. So we're gonna do a muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, we got a 2012 Lexus LS 460. Look at this beast. I love these cars since they came out. They're luxury, man. Very comfortable. It's like a jet plane when you're driving it. You don't feel anything on the road. It's really smooth. So it's got factory converters at the manifolds there and there. Then it goes 2.5 inch to secondary converters there. Then it's got an X pipe, Lexus factory X pipe right there. Then we cut the two resonators off and put two DYNOMAX race bullets in their place right there. Part number 24222. Be a link in the description for it right there. And what we did, we had to put adapters on it to make them because they're 3 inch. So if you need them for this car, get them 2.5. Do not get them 3 inch. Okay, guys? So we put adapters on it. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes. And then we continued the 2 1/4 out the back on this side and on this side. As you guys can see, where we did the muffler delete. And it comes with factory tips built into the rear bumper. So we left those alone. There's a giant mufflers that were on it there and there. And there's the two resonators that were on it that we took off. They're giant also to make it extra quiet. But we don't like quiet at Exhaust Addicts. We like it loud. That's why we take it all off and refine it and make it nice for the average guy. With any car, we'll do it. So any car you guys have, bring it in. We'll take care of it if we're able to without having to take bumpers off and stuff. And if you guys don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you ever need anything, hit us up. And if you're in the area, just come by and say hi. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All right, let you guys hear it before. This is after. DYNOMAX race bullets, muffler delete. That's it. Look at his face. Yes? Do we get a thumbs up? Yeah. Again. Sounds so good. Wow. Here's sound decibels. 109, bro, when you really get on it. That's perfect. That smoke will go away because that's from the manufacturer of the oil. I like it. Yeah, it's quiet.
It's quiet.
There is no idle. Yeah, it's quiet.
Yeah.
So when you start in the morning, something will be okay.
It'll have
Yeah, so it's up in RPM.
So I can have it shift below 2,000.
Exactly. Yeah. We were blessed that it stopped raining, so we were able to do a video for you guys on this one because I really wanted to do one. That sounds so mean, man. Wow. It's like a lion roaring. It's so deep.
I like how there's no idle.
Yeah.
Road noise, there's no idle.
Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus LS 460. Factory converters, factory X-Pipe, DYNOMAX race bullets, in the middle, the long ones, the 12-inch, and rear muffler delete. Wow, look at that thing fly. It's over 6,000 pounds too. Woo. Yeah, baby. Me spun out of a Lexus.